let's pivot over to our rapid fire segment called Burn It or Build It. I will throw out a topic to you. You tell me burn it or build it and a brief reason why. Are you ready?
Go.
All right. Number one, AI writing.
Build it. I think it is helping me amplify everything I'm doing, and editing became quicker, and I love it.
Nice. Number two, voice of the customer. Is it a real insight or is it just theater?
I think I'd burn it.
Yeah. Does I guess the voice of the customer, does it not tie into maybe a little bit of the customer journey as far as just understanding how they're feeling, whether they like your product or not?
Everything that sounds like a cool buzzword and a metric that no one understands, burn it.
Burn it. Got it. All right. Number three, publish pricing on your site. So it's pricing transparency.
Build it. I just saw a website that did something amazing with pricing, and every salesperson I sent it to went, this is amazing. So I think your messaging needs to be epic, and it works.
Nice. Number four, we've talked a lot about slides, F the slides and all that, but a PowerPoint free pitch. No slides at all.
I want to say burn it. My main problem, if your pitch isn't written, you're reckless. And if you know exactly what you're supposed to say, you're brave.
Sounds good. Number five, discounting at the end of the quarter to win deals.
I'll go with burn it. But then again, I have an amazing example of someone who just did a discount for end of October, scaled like crazy. You know what happened afterwards? He signed a lot more when he doubled the pricing. So I think as long as you don't do it because it's an easy way out.
Yeah, it probably depends, but it can probably get you in trouble long term. But maybe in the short term, maybe it works. It probably just depends on your business and how you're discounting or how you lead up to that discount.
Yeah.
Whether it's to try to move a deal across the finish line or to, I guess in your example, maybe expand your business. Number six, NPS, Net Promoter Score. Burn it or build it?
I'll go with burn it just because I'm sticking to my original thing. If it's just a nice buzzword.
Number seven, short form video on LinkedIn. We see this all the time, at least in my feed. There's a lot of videos, 60 seconds or less. Burn it or build it as far as just building your brand.
I'm going to go with build it because next week we're filming the first 8.
Nice. I love the short form. I think it works well. And obviously I think LinkedIn and a lot of other platforms are already there as far as the short form video content, which is fine. LinkedIn for thought leaders. Is it helpful or is it just, I don't know, everyone sounds the same?
I'll say burn it because your AI text is not you writing. And if you don't have an original thought, then there's no thought leadership. It's just you copying from someone else.
Gotcha. What about number 9, cold outbound email? Is it still working or should we just get rid of that altogether?
So but my initial would be to burn it, but I just signed a contract, which is pretty big, from a cold outreach that someone did to me, like $12,000. So
nice. Sometimes it works. It depends, but probably don't put all your eggs in one basket.
It's a numbers game.
Number 10, gated content. Typically on a lot of websites, so you had to put an email address or something to get the magical PDF or the white paper or whatever that looks like, your point of view. Do we keep the gated content, burn it or build it?
I will go with build it. I think the algorithms are changing so fast. We still need a way to contact you.
Okay. Sounds
it's the only form that we have to have our own audience at the moment.
Nice. I think that probably, like in a lot of instances, it probably depends on your business and as far as what you're gating and then also what you're putting out there as far as free content as well. So I don't know. It depends, but I think that's a highly debated topic, at least for Burn It or Build It on this particular podcast.